Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to quit Mac applications. We'll start with the simplest methods. The most common way is to press Command+Q on your keyboard, which immediately closes the active application. Alternatively, you can go to the application's name in the menu bar at the top of your screen and select Quit Application Name. Remember, simply closing a window by clicking the red X button often leaves the application running in the background. Sometimes an application might freeze or become unresponsive. When this happens, you'll need to force quit it. The quickest way is to press Command plus Option plus Escape simultaneously. This opens the Force Quit Applications window. From there, simply select the application that isn't responding and click the Force Quit button. This action will immediately terminate the application, allowing you to restart it if needed. There are other powerful ways to quit applications. You can right-click an application's icon in the dock, then select Quit. If the app is frozen, hold down the Option key while right-clicking, and Quit will change to Force Quit. For more control, open Activity Monitor from your Utilities folder. Here, you can select any process, click the X button in the toolbar, and choose to quit or force quit it. To avoid issues, always save your work frequently, especially before quitting an application. If an application continues to cause problems, a simple restart of your entire Mac can often resolve many underlying issues. Furthermore, regularly updating your Mac OS and all your applications ensures you have the latest bug fixes and performance improvements, leading to a smoother and more reliable experience overall. These practices help maintain a healthy system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.